We got another short Sean Dawn cooking show. Y'all know how we do Black Man in the Kitchen. We just got a short for y'all today. Just cooking, just touching up on some chocolate chip. Y'all see what time it is. You know what I'm saying? So let's go and check out the product. You know the oven done. Check the product out.
See 29 seconds, you know what I'm saying? You just want to make sure that these bitches are golden brown.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Just like, you know what I'm saying, our Nubian queens are.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Hold on.
Good analogy. Good analogy.
Oh, shit. You feel me? Boom, boom, boom. I don't own the oven mitt, you know what I'm saying? I just got the little, you know, ghetto towel.
It's all good.
Boom.
Mm-hmm.
Feel me? Don't burn yourself. Now, this right here.
What is it?
This is the secret key right here.
They want to know what
chocolate
it is.
chip cookies. You know what I'm saying? These are chocolate chip cookies. We have, you know what I'm saying, a couple cups of flour. We have about 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 3 cups of chocolate morsels, a little bit of salt, a little bit of baking powder.
Mm-hmm.
And, you know, we just made them home up, you know what I'm saying, whipped them up real good. And then I like to do this just to help flatten them out.
Okay.
Get that air pockets up out of there.
Okay, that's extra soft for y'all.
You feel me?
That's extra soft for y'all.
Extra air pockets
There you
up
go.
out of there.
There you go.
And it makes them really get that great cookie look.
Uh-huh.
You know what I'm saying? That cookie look, and then you make it cook faster. You know what I'm saying?
There we go.
Right there, you know what I'm saying?
Yep, looking good, looking nice and flat. You know, nice, you know, yeah, nice and looking like grandma did.
You know, better than a slave owner's grandmother. You know.
Oh yeah, there we go.
You know what I'm saying? That's how you get those done right there.
Okay.
Chocolate chip hanging out right there. Don't burn yourself.
All right,
you know what I'm saying? And then they can, you know what I'm saying, be
okay,
smooth.
the infamous flip.
No, they ain't ready for that.
Oh, they ain't ready for that? Okay.
Cool now.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
If I would have did it on wire, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens, y'all watching out there, y'all know Sean Dawn cooking channel. Y'all know this is a short one. This is dessert style too. This ain't nothing. You know, this ain't no 5-course meal how you usually do. You know how y'all saw the other video when he made the Chick-fil-A sandwich better than how Chick-fil-A do it. You know what I'm saying? He made the sandwich from scratch. Y'all saw that on the last video. So this one right here, we just gonna bless y'all with just how to make, you know, just some good chocolate chip cookies.
You know what I'm saying?
Straight from the crib.
Not in your mouth, not in your hands. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
You gotta tell her. You know what I'm saying?
No doubt.
You know, you gotta tell her.
That's how we do. It's Mastermind, Sean Dawn Cooking Show. Until the next one, you got anything for the family? You want to give them a sneak peek? What you think you're gonna do on the next one, or you just gonna let that ride out to the next episode?
To be continued.
To be continued. All right. So Mastermind Media, we out.